Viral Influencer AI. Hey guys, hope you're all okay, and in this video I'll be giving you a detailed demo of Viral Influencer AI. So I'm inside the members area right now, and as you can see the dashboard here, inside the dashboard we can see Viral Influencer Talk. We have got Create AI, Virtual Influencer, and we have got the option to generate free AI images. So we can see the support desk right on top of the dashboard, email support, project training. All the training will be listed right over here, and the same option can be used from this particular option on the left hand side under the menu section. So we've got the list of bonuses over here, wide range of language selection, login, logout button right over here. So let's get started by creating AI Influencer Talk. So the first option we have over here, the same can be used from here. You can just click on this and we've got a drop down, and you can get started by creating a video. So I'm going to click on create a video under make AI Influencer Talk. So once you click on this, you need to follow 3 simple steps. So firstly, we'll name the title right over here. So I'm just going to name that as create video 1 2 3, and then you need to select a format over here. So you've got a portrait format, you've got a landscape format, and you've got a square format. So I'm just going to use a square format right over here. Click on continue, and once you click on continue, you get the option to either upload the image from your personal documents, you can take a selfie, you can create new influencer with the help of AI, and you can use saved images from the gallery. So I'm just going to click on this over here, and that'll give me access to my documents. I'm going to upload my AI image right over here, and once that is uploaded, all I have to do is click on continue. So once you click on continue, this will then give you the option to write a script. So I'm just going to write a script for 100 words script to sell my personal training services to young people. I mean, the more detailed the prompt, the more detailed the script that you're going to get with the help of that prompt. So I'll generate that from ChatGPT, and once that is generated right over here, all I have to do is then select the emotional voiceover, or you can clone your own voice, or you can record your own voice. You've got different options right over here. So you can start recording, you can preview your recording, you can clone your voice, then you can use obviously the voiceovers which are already there on the system. So I'm going to use Andrew's voice over here, and once that is done, I can then generate the audio. So once you click on generate audio, it'll start generating the audio for you, and the audio will be available for you to preview it once that is done. So let it load and do not refresh the page. It's going to take a minute or two depending on how busy the system is. So that literally took like 30 seconds or even less than that. So once that is done, all you have to do is click OK. Once your audio is generated, all you have to do is, you can actually download the audio onto your system as well. And once that is generated, click on continue. And once you click on continue, it will bring you to the step 3, wherein you will have different options. You can remove the background from here. You can actually generate background from here by keying in prompts. You can add subtitles right over here. So you've got tons and tons of options of subtitles as well. So I prefer the dark background subtitles, so I'm just going to use this one right over here. And you can then actually, do the background. You've got advanced background options. You've got advanced options of chin movements. You've got eye winks option. You've got image enhancer, add background music. So if I want to add a background music, then I can actually select that from the list as well. So I can use any music of my choice. And I mean, you can listen to the music as well. So you can listen to the music first. And if you want to get started with that, then you can actually use that music. And you can add elements over here. So, you've got a list of elements over here that you can use. Yep. And yeah, you can actually add your own images as well. So you can use all these options right over here. So once you're happy with that, all you have to do is just click on submit. So once you click on submit, you get access to your said, obviously, video, and it's a successful, and the video will be saved between these times, and it can obviously render within 10 minutes as well. So once that is done, all you have to do is just click on OK, and that will then go onto your list right over here. It says pending. Once that is done, obviously you can then share on these platforms, you can edit it, you can download it, and you can do all sorts for that. So once that is done, obviously you can then download that onto your system from here as well. So it will go directly onto your create video list right over here, and we'll come back to this once that is done. So the next option that we have right over here is to create virtual influencer. So under the virtual influencer, you can get started by creating your own virtual influencer. So you can get started by creating a new virtual influencer, create new avatar from images. You can create variations from existing images. So if I had to create a virtual influencer, all I'm going to do is just type in Viking man and click on the prompt. I'm just going to put traditional. And, happy face, blue eyes, gender man. And once that is done, all I have to do is just click on generate image. So let it load, and it'll take, say, about a minute or two, like literally happened within no time. So once that is done, I can then save this to the gallery. You can either save this to the gallery, and you can either make the man talk. So once you go on your saved images, you can then check the list of the AI image that you have generated. So this was the one image that I generated before, and this is the image that we have generated now. So the image that it gets generated for you is going to be a unique image just for yourself, for your prompts that you have keyed in. And the next option that we have over here, I mean, you can do a lot with that. You can actually make it talk as well, which I'll show that to you later. And create thumbnail. Now you can actually get started by creating your own thumbnails right over here. And if you have got a thumbnail that you have, you can add that from the system itself, and you can then start editing that image with text of your own choice, with shapes of your own choice, so you can then get started by adding in dividers, abstracts, badges, so you can do a lot with these. Okay, and these are, once you're happy with that, you can then obviously download the template. So you can download that as PNG file or a JPEG file. So I'm just going to save that as JPEG right over here. Okay, and that'll be saved for me. So that is the thumbnail creator for you, and inside the thumbnail creator, obviously you have other options as well. So you can actually generate that from AI. So you can then search and generate images from AI, and it will actually generate images for you, like I've just generated for you, and you can then start editing that image with removing background, adding overlay, adding YouTube thumbnail link, and so on and so forth. So that was the thumbnail one, and we have got the AI avatar. Now we can get started by creating an AI avatar, and I'll just create a prompt over here again, as we have done that over under the option of AI image generator. So I'm just going to put traditional and then generate image right over here under AI avatar, and you can actually create your own avatar over here. So again, guys, just be patient and do not stop it or do not refresh the page. It will take, say, about a minute or two, depending on how busy the server is. And as you can see over here, it has actually generated us a brilliant image. So I'm just going to save that to my list right over here. So it has generated an avatar over here for me. And if I had to create an avatar by saying okay, so let's generate an avatar over here. And let's see once it's generated. Yeah, brilliant. Yep, so it has actually generated us an image from the 60s, though. You can see over here. And yep, I should have put 1960s instead of 60s. Okay, so yep, this is absolutely amazing, and you can then save that onto your system. If you're not happy, you can regenerate images again and again, and there is no limit to that. And you've got your background remover, the next one. So you can actually get started by removing backgrounds from your images. So I'm just going to remove background right over here within no time, and you can save that on the system as well. and you've got a video upscaler. So I'm just gonna name that as upscaler 123, and then I will add a video to upscale that. So I've got a video right over here. Okay, I'll just select this one, and this video will be saved, and it will obviously upscale the video to a high def video. So instead of 10 MB, that'll be like, 25 to 50 MB or 60 MB. It'll upscale the quality of the video. And the next one that we have over here is the image upscaler. And upscaler image 123, and I will add an image to this, and this will obviously upscale the image as well. So there's the video and there's the image, and that will get upscaled. VSL Creator Pro. So you can get started by creating a VSL. I'll just name a product over here, test 1 2 3, and over here I'm just gonna take a URL from copy sketch. I'm just gonna put that over here. Okay, and over here we have got VSL style. So I'm just gonna put that as, you can choose the style, whichever style that you want. I'm just gonna click on hook, story, offer, and then VSL emotion, urgency, curiosity, hope, trust. So I'm just gonna put that as urgency, and again then we have got a tone over here, so I'm just gonna put out friendly tone and create VSL copy, and it will create a brilliant VSL copy for me within no time. So as you can see over here, it's actually created a VSL copy for us, and you can actually make changes to this copy. So brilliant way to create VSL copies. Right over here you can change to anything that you want. You can make changes to it, and whichever page you put in, it will actually create a brilliant VSL for you. So you can literally copy and create your own VSL. And yeah, and once that is done, you can then move to the next one, or you can recreate it again to your liking. So you can then change it, or you can ask GPT to write another VSL copy for you, and it will write a brilliant VSL copy for you again and again and again. Right, okay, yep, it's generated another one for us now. And once that is done, you can then check your list over here, and you can download the copy, whatever you have generated. It goes right in your list. Okay, and then we have got add copy creator, and you can then create ads for yourself right over here. Okay, and again you can then use the same.
Is it tough to drive traffic and generate leads for your campaigns?
Okay, we'll just use the same URL. Right, and once that is done, you've got a list of options right over here. Style of options to create an ad copy, and I'm just gonna put that as the first one: attention, interest, desire, and action, and then create a copy. So I'll create a brilliant ad copy for me with the help of AI, obviously. So it's created a brilliant ad copy for us over here, and it's given a complete breakdown of the link that we have actually submitted over here for ad copy. Brilliant. And that again goes in your list right over here. And the next option that we have is transcribe, and you can create a transcribe right over here. Okay, so I'll just put that as video transcribe 1 2 3. Output, I'll just put that as text, then a YouTube URL of your choice right over here, and then upload a high quality video over here. So you can then add a video from your system, and once that is done, so you can actually remove and you can add another video right over here. So once that is added, all you have to do is just click submit, and that will actually transcribe the video for you. It'll go back onto your list right over here. It shows as pending, and once that is done, you can then download that. And the next option that we have over here is the agency user, and you can get started by adding an agency user. So in this, obviously, we need a name for the user, user's email address, and a mobile number, password, and the address over here. You can then dedicate the role, if it's an editor or if it's a viewer. And once that is done, check the details, make sure that you got the email and the name right, as that will be the username for them, and you can add the agency user to your list. So add it successfully, and it'll go onto your list right over here. And then you can obviously view user, edit the details. It'll give you option to edit the details if you've got the email address wrong, so you can then correct the details for them and resubmit the details for them. Okay, and then we have got the lead list, so you can create the list right over here. You can add the list over here, and you can then put a description over here. And then you can save that over here. Okay, lead list, and you can see that it's been added to the list right over here. And then you can export the lead from your system. Make sure that you fill in all these details. Okay, so you can search for the country. Okay, and then you can actually add the list on to the lead list right over here by filling in all these details, and you can then export the data obviously onto your. So once the list is available, it will give you the list right over here in this particular section. Okay, and the next option that we have is create lead gen URL. So you can get started by creating a lead gen URL right over here. Okay, so this will be your promote URL code for Viral Influencer AI, and again, that'll go back onto your list over here. And you can obviously check the analytics for that, whoever has clicked, from which country they have clicked, and you've got the total number of leads, the total number of conversion, and the global leads location, and everything, top source, visited users, you'll have all their data available right over here. And the next one that we have is the email setup. So you can actually use this product as your autoresponder, and then you can obviously add your autoresponders to this. So you've got you can have SendPulse, you can have App ID, eye contact, you can have active campaigns, you can have SendLane, you've got Aweber, you've got MailerLite, you've got MailChimp, you've got MailWiz, you've got SL. So you can use all these email autoresponders over here, and you can verify that by putting in all the details, and you can actually start using this as your very own personal autoresponder. And you can actually get started by adding the SMTP details right over here and saving all those details. And once that is done, then you can start using the automation. So I'll just show you on how to get started with the automation. So you can actually name the campaign first under automation section, click on create automation. Once you click on create automation, all you have to do is then create the automation. So you've got day 1, day 2, day 3 added right over here. And you can get started by creating automation for day 1 at this particular time, and for day 2 at this particular time, day 3 at this particular time. And once that is done, design the email, subject, hello 1, and then you have got you can view that your email has been saved over here. Again, hello 2 for day 2, save that, and hello 3 for email, save that. So you've got day 1, day 2, day 3 emails. You can view those emails again. Once you're happy, click on continue. And are you sure you want to apply this automation for all users after today's date? Submit. And once you submit, that will go on to your automation. Update the affiliate link, get affiliate link, view done for you workflow. You've got several options right over here. You can explore these options. And then after this, once you're happy, by updating your affiliate URL, and you can get your affiliate link. Once you have all those details, you can check the done for you campaigns right over here, whatever one that you want to promote. You can then put this as affiliate links right over here. And once you're happy with those, it'll go back onto your automation list right over here. Then once the set date has come, and once the emails start going, you can check those details under queued emails. So under queued emails, it'll give you the entire detail of your email list, and it'll give you the details of the email history, when the emails were scheduled, when the emails have been sent, and when the email has been opened, and when the email has been read. You get all those details and history of the automation emails that has been sent. So back to the dashboard, guys, and I've covered every area of viral influencer AI, and you can then go to the training if you have any doubts to double check. Under each section, you will have the training listed for Viral Influencer AI. So thank you for staying till the end of this video, and I hope you've enjoyed the training, and thanks for watching. And if you have any doubts, you can get in touch with the support desk, email the support desk, and all the best. See you in my next one. Cheers. Bye.